Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a professional header in Wing Studio. So first thing that you can do is basically open a Wing Studio, open your account, and then once you log in, you can now go and select the website that you want to edit. For example, this one here. Now here on your website, as you can see, you just have to select on the edit site button right there at the top right. So once you're in the website editor, you can locate the header section. This is usually at the top of your web page, and you can click on the header area to start customizing it right here in the right hand side panel. And to customize your header, you can start by changing the background. You can basically change or customize the color, the gradient, or add some gradient and an image. And you can also select directly here on the header, and you have an options right here if you want to change the layout into like as you can see, if you're going to click on the drop down menu, you can select right over here. So select the option that best fits your website theme and branding. Now to add a logo, just click on quick add, and you just have to click on image. So again, you just simply click on the plus icon at the top left and then click on that image. So here you can basically reposition it in the header. So in my case, I'm going to put right here at the top left corner. And then to change the image or logo, just click on it and then click change image. And then from here, you can basically use some of media from Wings or Shutterstock or maybe Unsplash. Or you can actually upload that logo from your computer. Just click on upload media and drag and drop the file here. Now in my case, I'm going to use a logo from this media from Wings. So just an example here, and then click on update. So there you have it. And once you upload it, position it in the header and make sure it's aligned and sized approximately. And you can basically adjust this one and it will open the photo studio. You can change, you can customize the image, the light and color. You can adjust and filters right over here. So you can add some or customize this logo according to your preference. Then once done, just click on that save button. So there you have it. So if you're going to scroll down, you'll find a different section. So there you go. Now a professional header often includes a navigation menu, just like as you can see here in my header. So to add a menu like this, you just need to click on the plus icon at the top left and basically select this menu option, and it will automatically add to your header. So as you can see, if we're going to click on this menu, so there you go, we have this navigation menu. And if you're going to click on this one, you can edit and customize all of the menu right over here. You can manage menu, you can rearrange it, and you can add an item. So basically here, you can choose a style that matches your design. Go to menu and search and find the navigation menu that suits your branding. For example, you want like this, so just click on it and then just position it on the header. So basically you can just customize it. You can add some links. So here you can just edit this navigation menu right here. Now another way to add an image or element in your header, just click on the plus icon and let's add a button, CTA, or a call to action button. So it is very important in your header. So basically just have to drag and drop like this, and you can also customize the text. You can customize here, for example, you can go to settings and change the text, and you can add some links. So basically you can display your phone number, email, contact us button, get started button, or read more button, as you can see here, or add to cart button if it's a e-commerce website. Now to ensure your header looks great in all devices, switch to the mobile view in your editor. And here you can adjust the elements as needed to make sure they are properly aligned and visible on smaller screens. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.